Now let us see the 17th question. The correct option for the number of body center unit cells in all 14 types of Bravis lattice unit cell. They ask that how many BCCs are present in 14 types of Bravis lattice unit cell. Bravius lattice unit cell. This is a conceptual question. The BCC is present in cubic and tetragonal, and last one is orthorhombic. Orthorhombic. The BCC is present in only 3 among the 14 Bravis lattice structures. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer. Option 1 is the correct. Thank you for watching and all the best.